I'm installing an aftermarket heater, air conditioner, fan on this 2004 T300, and they don't come with this plug unless you spend around $600 or so from the Bobcat dealer and order it from them. This is the only aftermarket you can get, and it's the same part number as the one Bobcat sells, but it doesn't come with this. It comes with this. And so what you got to do, come over here to this table. It's a mess. This is the fan that came out of it, and I cut the wire off of it. And I've been all over the internet trying to find information, can't find it, so I had to go through all the steps to find out which wire goes where. So this is the order. You have to take your plug and cut your plastic sheathing back a few inches. Leave your black wire a couple inches longer, because that's your ground, and it goes right here on this little ground tab right there. That's your ground. It goes there, and then this is how it has to be wired in. There's your ground back here. It's the black wire. The orange is your high speed, the red is your medium speed, yellow is your low speed. And on this unit, it offers a 4-speed. Well, we don't have 4-speed on this machine. The 3 is all we get. Let me climb up in here, turn it on. You'll hear the fan running. Maybe it's already still on. There's the low speed, medium, and high, and then off. So I did not record taking this heating and AC unit apart, but there's plenty of videos out there doing that. It's a chore. But since this fan has this situation, you can't buy the original without spending like $600. So this you can get on Amazon or eBay or a number of different sources for $100, $150 dollars or whatever. I think I pay $130 for this on Amazon or something like that. The next dilemma is fitment. This area right here needs to tuck under this hook right here. This is metal. I can grab that with the pliers and pry it out just a little bit, but the corners are slightly wider than what will fit in here. And this is rounded in here. I'm just going to take a knife and try to trim that corner out. If it won't trim with a knife, then I'm going to use a and over here too, I'll go and get a multi-tool, a vibrating tool, and trim it out with that. But first, let me try with a knife. Well, the box cutter knife worked fine for trimming these corners, but I just noticed something else. This little gap right here, since the original, this piece here was centered in this area, and this one's over here to my left. Inside here, this hook is obviously wider. Looks like about 1 1/4 inches wide, and this here looks like maybe right at 1 inch. I cheated. Since I am a professional, I don't recommend anybody messing with these cut-off wheels without a guard on them and a full face shield, which restricts your vision, but that's the right way to do it. I cheated. I did it without the guard and with just my regular seeing glasses, and there was enough room for me to notch this out, get that out of there. So that should fit now without taking the